I'm going to read you a non-fiction book. This means it's not a storybook, it's a fact book. This book is called My Science Tools. So we're going to learn about all the different kinds of tools you might use when you're doing a science experiment or investigation. You might have used some of them this week already. You might have other ones at home, or some of them might be at school. Let's see what we find out. So we use science tools to explore, ask, and learn. There's all the boys and girls there, they're learning with their teacher. How long is it? That's a science question. We use a ruler to find the length. You already know that because last week you made rulers with your maths learning. How heavy is it? You can use a scale to weigh it. So if you want to know how heavy something is, use a scale. I want to look closer. What's the name of that object that the girl's using? Here it says use a hand lens to zoom in. I call this a magnifying glass. So you use a magnifying glass so you can look closer at things. Or you can use a microscope to zoom in even more. This is like a small magnifying glass. You go really close to something. And then you could use a tablet or a camera, or maybe a camera on a phone, to store your learning. We do that at school sometimes, don't we? Science tools help us see, know, and think about the world around us. That's some of the important words in the story. Hand lens, or you could say magnifying glass, length, a microscope, a scale, a tablet, and tools. And that's the end of our non-fiction book, our information book, My Science Tools. Thank you for listening.